हेलो वेलकम दोस्तों। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं नॉर्दर्न लाइट बाय शाहपुर जी पालन जी डेवलपर एट थाने पोरबंदर रोड। सो नॉर्दर्न लाइट एक्चुअली काफ़ी पहले दो विंग इनका पहले ही लॉन्च हो चुका था। अब इन्होंने नया विंग अभी वो लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं, तो उसके बारे में आज हम लोग बात करेंगे। डेवलपर इज शाहपुर जी पालन जी, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डेवलपर इन इंडिया, इन वर्ल्ड यू कैन से, one of the branded builders, so you can blindly depend on the builder of the completion timing and everything. Construction quality is very good. तो थोड़ा बहुत मैं आपसे पीपीटी में शेयर करूंगा about the quality, about the tower, and about everything about the amenities, everything about the project. So friends, very first thing, my firm name is Kalsi Estate Consultant, and website is kalsiestate.com. And myself, my name is Kalsi, and the email ID is kalsi at info@kalsiestate.com, and the phone number is 7400138561. So these are the contacts. Anywhere you can go. You can go to the website. You can go to email ID. You can call on this number anytime, and so I will start with the PPT now. Northern Lights by Shapurji Palanji at Pokhran Road. Shapurji is one of the branded builder. They have more than 60 companies in all over the world, and one of the industries construction company which is developed by Shapurji Palanji. They have 16 companies. You can see these companies name: Oil and Gas, Forbes, Eureka Forbes, Next Generation, Forwell, then Construction, Engineering Construction Company, Infra Company, which is construction company. They are already doing the construction in major cities in India. These are few projects they have already completed, and they have completed at time, and it's a very huge project, large project with lots of engineering work and lots of good quality work. You can see the type of work they have completed. Number one in construction company. So let's talk about Shapurji Palanji. In Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Kolkata, Howrah. So these are places where the construction of Shapurji is already going on. So today we are talking about Northern Light at Pokhran Road. Pokhran Road is at Thane, outskirt of Mumbai. Basically, we call it in Mumbai only because Thane is now no more after Mumbai now. Moment you cross the Isar Cheknaka, within 20 minutes you, within 25 minutes you reach Thana station. So this is the aerial view of the building. Building is 50-story tower, where you can see this picture is taken from the drone, and from the express highway. It's slightly 100 meters inside from the highway for Porbandar Road, and this view is a day view. You can see the night view also. It's very glamorous. We go below over here. These are few of the amenities and kilometers, what exactly ecosystems are there: school, hospitals, commercial hubs, entertainment hubs. Means these are all the ecosystem. You can just go through it. It's very in the center of the Porbandar Road, and from there everything is very close by, whether it is school, whether it is hospital, whether it is entertainment zone, or whether it's a commercial zone. Everything is close by, right? From doctor, school, college, hospital, everything. We go below over here. These are again some of the lifestyle amenities mentioned inside the complex. Let me tell you this, I am sharing the old building project which they have recently made, Omega. New tower brochure is still not come out. So I will be only sharing about the old brochure connected, what exactly, because amenity, everything is similar in the project. Because complex is one, this is third tower in the same complex itself, a different name of the building. And uh, about the areas and everything, slightly difference will be there, but I will share you. मैं आपसे कुछ एरिया के बारे में शेयर करूंगा, बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें फर्क नहीं रहेगा. तो ये जो है inside amenities, yoga system, swimming pool, jacuzzi, sauna bath, steam bath, all the amenities are there. These are again internal amenities: swimming pool, health club, volleyball, gymnasium, and lots of other games. This is theater, barbecue hall, and then that's a mini theater, you can say open theater. Then again, this is a cricket ground, mountain climbing area, gaming zone, library. Again, this is part of the amenities which is inside the complex. Here you will see the layout of the plot, which one and two building, two towers there. It's already ready. Third tower which is coming up will be somewhere over here. And simultaneously they will start the fifth tower also after 1.5 months, but fifth tower will be having larger flats. So now in third tower, the combination of the flat is 1 BHK and 2 BHK flats. So here again, this is layout of the flat. In center, they have given swimming pool, health club, and plot area is rectangle plot. So it's a very good plot. Here you see the swimming pool. This is gymnasium. This is badminton court, L-shaped complex. Then you come further down. This is elevation of the building. Elevation is absolutely very good. High-rise tower, 50-story tower, 6-level podium parking with outer amenities and all luxurious and branded fittings inside the complex. This is picture taken from the swimming pool. This is again the day view. Now you go slightly below here. These are dimension of old carpet area, but new carpet will be similar to this. 1 BHK will be somewhere around 550 carpet, and 2 bedroom will be 638 carpet. So one bedroom will cost around somewhere around 95 lakhs, and it will include inclusive of everything. And 2 BHK will go around somewhere around 1 crore 38 lakhs, which is very reasonable for Thane, Porbandar रोड that also शाहपुर जी branded builder है, तो उसके लिए आप बिल्कुल आप इसके लिए जा सकते हो. These are elevation of the planning of the flat. This is 2 BHK plan, and they haven't given 1 BHK plan over here, but 1 BHK इसमें यही रहेगा, एक बेडरूम कम कर दो, बाकी जो आपको किचन और बेडरूम दिखाई दे रहा है और हॉल दिखाई दे रहा है, दैट मीन्स हॉल, किचन एंड 1 bedroom. It will end over here. If it is 2 bedroom, then 1, 2, and this is attached toilet. Washroom, and this is again common washroom over here, and this is kitchen with 2 platforms. So these are all the floor plans below. This is the view of the sample flat. Sample flat is absolutely very good. From after seeing the sample flat, you can judge how the flat quality will be. It's a very good flat, luxurious flat. इंटीरियर में आप जितना खर्चा करोगे उतना फ्लैट और बढ़िया लगेगा. फ्रेंच कट विंडोज है, और आगे और भी देखते हैं. बेडरूम भी काफ़ी अच्छा मतलब लग रहा है. डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू स्पेंड ऑन द इंटीरियर ऑफ दिस फ्लैट. इंटीरियर इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द फ्लैट amenities, but definitely once you how much you spend on the flat depends how you spend, that much getup you will get. So these are all the pictures of the internal amenity. Kitchen platform, both the side platform is there. This is service platform, and this side is cooking platform over here where gas is there. Again, there is a big glass door for the dry balcony outside. So that's all for today. दोस्तों, आप इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बिंदास आप जा सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसमें. आप इसमें बुकिंग कर सकते हो, और डेवलपर काफ़ी अच्छा है, ब्रांडेड है. शाहपुर जी का नाम तो आपने सुना ही होगा, और इनके बहुत सारे फर्म्स है. फाइनेंशियली डेवलपर इज़ वेरी स्ट्रांग, और हर एक प्रोजेक्ट भले कुछ भी होवे, कोई भी किसी तरीका भी, मतलब अभी कोविड में जैसे चल रहा है, तो इवन डेवलपर इज गिविंग एवरी प्रोजेक्ट ही इज गिविंग इन टाइम. तो डेवलपर, you can blindly trust on the developer, and in fact the project quality, construction quality is also very good. For details you can contact me on kalsiestate.com. You can mail me at info@kalsiestate.com, or you can call me at 7400138561. Thank you very much for listening to this. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you more these type of channel for future. और हर 2 दिन बाद 3 दिन बाद में नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ आपके सामने आते रहूँगा, इसी प्रोग्राम को लेके, इसी टाइप के प्रोग्राम को लेके और चैनल को लेके. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग.